Okay, come on. Come on. كبرات تخاطلتي سام تيدي لو معلتي بس فعل ميبسام نزرق مدب كلنا يو لازم مدب زمان نكتاتلو لازم سلام كتالكم يغني لي لازم أبزي تقول لهم
شنو
كان زانق عينينا فيس هبتمت فيس بالي أبزي كتب لي ميبسام كا أبزي كتب لي سلازي أتي مدب ناقصليو لازيت مدب قصل الله ميبسام اوكي ميبسام اوكي تتصاوتوا حوخيو تتصاوتوا مسو حوخيو هاي بليو ميبسام هاي بليو is your brother حوخني حواتهم is your brother يا hello يا say hello يا say hello يا say hello يا say hello يا hello oh نفعت محمد بحسب تتصاوتوا نفعت يا نفعت
Was that so beautiful?
Cuidado, mija. Bájate de ahí, mi amor, te vas a caer ahí.
Okay. فيس نبدنعي كتوتقي
Lolita, ya, mija.
اوكي ميبسام جمري شتت بالي ميبسام شتت بالي اجوغي شتت بالي ميبسام نفعتي يا اوكي sorry take care of my child also take care for my child oh sorry okay my child you know yeah okay yeah okay Okay, Mibsam. نفعتي ميبسام play تتعاطي نفعتي ميبسام قالي نفعتي yeah they are happy, the children are happy. Yeah, very happy. What is the name of your baby? Mateus. Oh, Mateus, good. Mateus, how old he is?
Almost 2.
Oh, he's almost
1 year
2.
and I think 9 months.
Oh, 9 months. That's good. That's good, Mateus. Yeah. Mateus, yeah. From the Bible. Mateus, yeah, his name is from the Bible.
Yeah, and my name is Moses.
Oh, Moses. My name is Samson.
Samson. Good
Yeah,
name. Yeah.
Samson. Yeah. My name is Samson.
Where are you from?
I am from Eritrea.
Eritrea.
Yeah, I am from Eritrea. Eritrea is in the Horn of Africa.
Oh, nice.
Do you know Africa?
Yes, of course.
Yeah. Eritrea is located in the Horn of Africa.
Oh my gosh.
It is bordered with Ethiopia, Sudan, Saudi Arabia in the Red Sea. That is Eritrea.
Good.
Yeah, you know Eritrea?
No, I have never heard about this. It's a country or it's a city?
It's a country.
Country.
Yeah. It is a country. Yeah. It is good. This is my baby.
Yeah.
This is my baby. Her name is Faith.
Yeah.
Yeah, her name is Faith. And the other one is this one. This one is also Mibsam. Yeah.
Beautiful name.
Yeah, Mibsam. Yeah, her name is also from the Bible. Yeah, this is your daughter's.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. And she's your wife?
Yeah, my wife.
Oh, she's your wife. Yeah. Thank you. And this is your cousin?
No.
The other guy. Oh, okay.
No, this guy there, I don't know him.
Oh, I don't know. Okay, it's okay. We are friends now, no problem.
Yeah, it's a friend.
We are friends now. Yeah. You know, if we meet in a play, we are, you know. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, my child, come on. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Go to here. Go. Play. Yes, my daughter. Yes. Nice. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, my daughter, come on. Yeah. Oh, Mateus, can I talk to you? Okay, sit on that place. I have a YouTube.
Do you have YouTube?
Yeah, why I'm doing that? My YouTube name is I'll picture also. My YouTube name is Sammy TV.
All right. It's a channel.
Yeah, Sammy. My name is Samson, so I named my YouTube Sammy TV. It is just for entertainment. I always post it for entertainment.
All right.
So I will show you later in my mobile, and maybe you will subscribe me.
Of course.
So sometimes I work with my children. I post it on that. Sometimes I read also history about Eritrea.
Ah, nice.
Yeah,
Cool.
in my YouTube, I am already. What I'm doing is about 51 video.
Okay.
I record on that. Some of this is the Eritrea history. It says victory over the darkness. So this tells us how Eritrea is liberated from Ethiopia.
All right.
Yeah. Eritrea is colonized by Ethiopia for 30 years, for 30.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Eritrea is liberated, you know, by sacrificing its yours, you know, the fighters. So I wrote a book. That book is when I was in Eritrea. I wrote the victory over the darkness, and also I translated another book, his life, and that is also narrated in the YouTube. And another also sometimes I posted it. Maybe you'll subscribe it at last. So when I find like this, sometimes I do that.
Of course.
This is not my first work. I
Alright.
do for life some work here, but this is like in the
hobby.
YouTube a hobby. Yeah.
Yeah.
I am not a journalist, but nowadays I try it. So.
What is your native language in your country?
My Eritrea has, that's a good question. Eritrea has nine
9 languages.
9 languages.
My God.
Tigrinya, Tigre, Afar, Saho, like that, 9. But Tigrinya, most people they speak Tigrinya in the Arabic, but also the other language also very spoken in Eritrea. But the people of Eritrea is also colonized by 5 countries. From the first by the Turkey, Egypt, British, Italia, and Ethiopia. So the people of Eritrea, they know English, Italia. So Eritrea is like Europe.
Yeah.
It is a good country.
You have a rich culture there.
Rich culture. Yeah, this is the rich culture. So that's good. She's your wife, yeah?
Yeah, my wife.
Okay. What is her name?
Jacqueline.
Oh, Jacqueline. Jacqueline. It's a good name.
Yeah.
You were born here.
No, we are Brazilians.